I'm trying to connect my I was meant to go live, but I can't seem to find a way to get my camera and my microphone to work, so I'll do this manually. All right, cool. So yesterday we had a very beautiful session in New York Open. So we can see there was initial balance right here. So this is a zone I've been watching, and as you let me try and pull. Yeah, so as you can see, I've been bearish the entire of this week. So we moved from Monday, going right here, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Then yesterday I was bearish, and I had seen this zone right here, and this was my 50% on Fibonacci, but I was actually trying to catch this like a swing on this order block right here. Currently we're above this, so we might see a push to the upside right now. Price is doing what it does best, so yeah, let's see. So squeeze up back to the initial balance high. So 9:45. So let's see. So CVD tried so we have this support zone. Let's see what TPU is doing. So we have this naked POC right here. This is the zone I was talking about. Then we have this cool, there's this ledge right here, and it's below value area low currently right here. I think we will come and test a bit of this POC. Yesterday's POC being tested. Value area high. Looks like a choppy market today. Let's see, from this zone to around this order block right here. So we are not that far because we're testing yesterday's value area high. Possibility of going to the upside maybe. Alright, we tested this zone, this breakout. Maybe we might continue to the upside, or I don't know. So let's see that 10 minutes. So a break to the upside, maybe we might visit this area. So mark it up. I'm not seeing a massive, delta on the outside. I think above this zone, let's try and put it was supposed to be the other way around from here. So there's no participation of big trades, which is weird. So CBD looking good. So we're above. $44, $35. Let's see from 30. Price looking bullish. And we have negative delta, so this will be our first trade. One contract, let's sell right there, put it above at the 800, then we target this. So let's see TPO so that we can protect ourselves. 24,852, 24,852, 852. Whoa, that's a very big stop loss. Mm, 852. Yeah, that's a very big stop loss. So 45 right here. I'll say the 800. Still delta looking positive, so I'll just cut this trade. 800, 820. That's why I'm gonna cut it. Squeezed, so possibility of continuing to the upside and delta looking positive. This will be our first trade. And I think we're near that. Yeah, we tapped on that 75%. So 908. I think it makes sense. I'm gonna put. I think this is very poor. Just put right there. So 945. This is the last candle. I'm not confident of, because we see the squeeze. At least now we are around 75% on the supply zone. I think the break of this will be a very good trade, like 2 hole. Delta looking good. It would be nice if we close below. I know these sellers to be so we're above yesterday's previous day high. I would love to see this one be violated and not close above. It would be good if we close below, but above, then I'll just trail my stop loss. Most sellers coming in, still delta, but I'm still buyers on. This one should be, violated. Like, I want to see this push to the downside, so that we can target. Let's see where we are. So this when this this one is a bit, we have a low volume node. We want to keep all these sellers happy. This is not what we would literally want this to be respected. This one was supposed to be whipped, so I'll definitely trade. So buyers absorbed right here. So see TPU what he's saying. So we're on that single. So probability of 20, 24, 8, 37. I think currently we are out of that trade here. I think I'm okay if being stopped out right here. So initial balance high 45 right there. So if we close above, then this might serve as higher low. All this accumulation right here might be a way for price to move higher, but regardless we are on that 75%, 78% retracement vibe to the downside, so we just have to wait. So 24,740. So this is a yesterday's value area high. Shows support right there. If we break right here, that would be nice. I wanna see push and try to leave all these imbalances right here, then see what we did inside there.
She made it clear, said she ain't gon' die for my drink. I left it off, played cool, thought it was a little thing. Took it lightly, now I'm staring at an empty screen. Never saw her face again the moment that I felt my thing. I tried to fix it, doubled up, called a couple friends. She already moved, guess she did the most in the end. Some things break once, they can never be said. The chapter closed fast, yeah, she turned the page. Wanting you back, that was old news. But my heart didn't get the memo too. I was smiling outside, fighting inside, acting strong, but slowly losing my mind.
It's not able to close below right here. 2 minutes and we're just pushing. I think we're on that POC. This is POC, right? Yeah. I think I'm out of this trade. I'll just
Sleepless nights, staring at the ceiling fan, arguing with memories I understand. Every song on the radio say your name, every street corner still feel the same. I broke myself trying to prove
the reason as to why all this volume coming in,
I was sinking fast.
so I'll just drill right here. Delta looking positive. Yeah. This squeeze right here. Can we see push to the downside? Let's target right here. If, if this gets violated right here, then this becomes our, we try to push a bit up for our second trade. See, we're trying to I'd really want CVD to close below this point. We will try and get like a buy right here and put stop loss below, but we are on that previous day value area low. Will this hold or will this be violated? If we close below, that would be good, rather than taking just liquidity and moving to the upside. This could have been a good sell position. I think CBD is looking right good, so I'll take sell right there. We stop us above. Try to target low. gonna put another limit right here. So you need that value very low.
She made it clear, said she ain't gon' die for my drip. I laughed it off, play cool, thought it was a
I
little
think the hesitation is quite off. I might see, you know, there was not that down movement, so I just remove this. If this get violated, so I'll be out of that trade. I'll trail. I'm not confident. I think I'll put this one to looks choppy. Some few ticks I would have been out. Still holding on that trade. I love this consolidation right here. You know, it's weird. Price is printing lows, but CVD is looking bullish. You know, is it time to take a buy or what? So I'll trade. At least I get something from this trade rather than stressing. That break will be very good. Yeah, to the downside, just like that. just trail to the just trail. Looking good, looking good, looking good. I just trailed right there. If he wants to stop me out, that would be too good. It will be coming a second time to stop me out. Yeah, we're out of that trade. Still bullish. If we close above, I might be interested to take one last trade. Alright, so price is printing lows and lows right here. So TP on the other side, we're testing this. It never closed above, so but we already broke this, so possibility of moving to the upside is juicy. We're coming to test this, buying coming, and I think what I might do is try and get a limit right here. I'll buy a limit from this zone. I'd really like to see what price does. We're on that now, back to that consolidation. Just initial balance, but area low. I'd love to see participation of buyers right here. To see trades. This is small. I just see a small participation, but nothing much. I think I try to put a buy right here, then protect myself right here, and you know what I can do is go to this side. It will require a lot, you know. Currently we're looking bearish at the moment, so I'll just trade this. For me it's looking bearish, the way it just look. I just put stop loss right here. Yeah, I'll be out from this negative delta. Yeah, I wanted to put right here, but that's fine. Negative delta coming in, you know, so I'll change my bias to sell. Right there, stop loss above right here, and actually I'll target this. I'll target this. So we have broken this and close positive on the downside. So yeah, I just project myself right here. That's enough. Let's see what TPU is doing. So we are near so this is 15 minutes 5 minutes low. Let's see 15 minutes. Oh, my bad. This remains like that, and this is what I want to change to 15 minutes. So there's this low and 30 minutes is pushing lower to that POC. You know, we're not seeing any interest on sellers, but we're seeing delta pushing lower. Will we see this being tested? Delta looking good. That push is perfect. I think this will be my last trade. Actually should be my last trade. about that. Sorry about that. I think I will be stopped out. I will be stopped out. I'll trail to this imbalance right there. Yeah, I'm up that trade. 21 points. It's enough with me. Let's see. We close above, and I'll try to put a limit right here. Stop loss above, below, sorry. No participation of sellers, buyers. It's so nice that if we tap in, fine. If you not be tapping in, still okay. In. Then we have to target right here. This is our exit, and how I get my exits are simple. So we have this down moving from here, so usually I just take my profile until I start see this cut right here. That'll be okay. This POC right here, and we have tested it one time. I think it will hold, so that said, I will protect myself. Put stop loss right here, entry. I don't want to risk anything. Still above this POC, so yeah, we're out. Still fine with me. So let's see if we have order block right here. Let's go on trading view and see. So that team is reacting from that. So we say here discount level. So if it's discount level, then we might be targeting right here if we close this. So this should be a good re-entry. Okay, so we get another entry right there. So I'm loving how prices, delta is looking. So I just get another buy right there, put stop loss right here, and I know what will target this high right there. So I just put that. And I can get that out of the way. So we have 5 minutes to close the 30 minutes candle. We are holding above yesterday's POC quite well. So I think this is 24 605, 24 605, 24 607. This being violated is not a good thing to see. Delta looking negative. Probability of going to the downside is a bit high. For me, I would say like that. We tested this a couple of times. Remember, we are on that initial balance POC level. So all this accumulation right here, is it accumulation to the upside or accumulation to the downside? That's number one. And number two, if this candle close, probability of closing right here is high, of course, but we just have to wait and see. So delta has a support around this POC level, and will we push higher and higher, maybe to this I don't think so. So I'll come a short here just in case delta reverse. I'm out of that trade. I was not confident with it. Should I have put stop loss right here? No. A close above would be good, but not. No participation from the big trades. Negative. So there was an absorption right here. I never saw it. This could have been a good trade. There's also a squeeze. Let's go into the upside. There's no participation of buyers on CVT. I love to see that push. These buyers are rewarded. I don't know why. Take another limit right here. Stop loss below this candle and target right here. Can this be a you know? So sellers, anyways, okay, see call. I'm gonna put below this bias right here. I think I'll be out of that trade right here. Yeah, I'll not risk it. We're near that initial balance low. Delta looking good. All these buyers right here were squeezed properly, so probability of pushing to the downside is very high to this let these buyers protect this back again on that view up. We can try and get a buy right there, but below view up. I just put right there, and that I'll just trail, and I'm out of that trade. I'm out and gone. I was acting from that view up right there. We have initial balance right here. If this one is respected right there, probability of pushing to the downside is very high. There's another one right here. We have not moved from initial balance, so might see maybe later in during this session we might have movement to the downside, I guess. Can't tell, so all this accumulation right here, I've rejected that. So if we close above, I'll take another buy and put. Just need to close above. I think this is the second time price tried to test the VWAP, so it's still above today's POC. I think so, yeah. Let's check TPO. Still above, but we might see a very big push to the downside until this this zone or a bit lower. Yeah, so I take sell and put above here. Took another sell and target I would love to see this initial balance being broken, then we have a very just put, that's good. Yeah, sellers coming in, delta looking good to the downside. That break, I would love to see this break, initial balance being broken. Let me protect myself, yeah, I just want to see that push to the downside. Initial balance, POC. You know what? Let me put it above that VWAP, just in case it decides to take me out. At least not be crying that hard. Alright, let's see if we push below that initial balance. We did not close, so still above that VWAP. It's okay if I protect myself there, right there. That's fine. And we're above all these big trades, aiming to at least target the downside here. I need more push. Delta looking good. 24,570, 24,576, 76 is okay. $25,760. So I don't know, like how we have pushed from that initial balance low, and we are near the POC, right? Today's POC. Like so. What I do, I just put this right there, just to get a little bit juice from this trade. So we wicked below. And we have no close again. A bit, we have closed a bit down, which is fine. It's my hold, so let's see if we break that yesterday POC. If we close below, I'll trail to this. Delta looking good. Price accepting. More sellers coming in. Let's see TPO what he's saying. Cool. I think I should be out 576. 576 right here. So I'll trail my stop loss right here. On the imbalance. DH24. I'll be stopped over right there. Probability is very high, but it's fine by me. Yeah, let's see if we get topped. I just put right here on the POC. Let's see if we get topped. So some few ticks, like 2 ticks, which is fine. Yes, that's nice. That's a good trade. That's a very beautiful trade. That's a very beautiful trade. Very, very beautiful trade. I think I'm done for the day. 101%. 100%. I'm out of. Thank you for watching. See you on the next live, man.